Certainly was.
Really enjoyed his day there, Joe.
A boyhood dream realised for Joe there. Alexis has joined us on the sofa. It's been a lovely day again.
Oh, absolutely fantastic. But the good news is it's warming up for the weekend. Sunday's going to be the hottest day of the weekend, potentially a high of 20, maybe 21 or 22 Celsius.
And we've been sent some rather unusual weather photos.
We have, yes. Yep. Let's take a look at this first one. This sun pillar was photographed by Chris Day in Winslow in Buckinghamshire. It's a vertical shaft of light which is formed when sunlight reflects off the surfaces of ice crystals associated with high-level clouds such as cirrus.
And here's another example of a sun pillar. This one was captured in Portsmouth this morning by Maureen Coles. Thank you.
And one more for you. In Weymouth, taken earlier today, you can see this is the sun pillar just here. Clear skies overnight tonight, some chilly temperatures courtesy of the clear skies and the light winds. And temperatures will fall away. In the countryside, we could see lows of 2 Celsius, but these are temperatures in towns and cities, lows of 7 to 9 degrees. So first thing this morning, temperatures at Bournemouth Airport were around 0.5 Celsius, so we could see similar temperatures first thing tomorrow morning. Lots of sunshine on offer tomorrow, maybe slightly more cloud than today, particularly the further north and east you are. But generally in the sunshine, temperatures will be up to around 14, maybe 15, even 16 Celsius. Similar temperatures to what we had today, particularly for sheltered spots. And the winds tomorrow will be light and variable. Tomorrow night, we'll see similar temperatures to tonight, clearing skies, light winds as well, and temperatures in the countryside could fall to around 3 or 4 Celsius. These are temperatures in towns and cities. So over the weekend, we start to draw in some warmer air from the near continent. You can see the area of high pressure starts to pull away towards the east, and that means we develop a southerly breeze. It will be fairly light during the course of Saturday, but the warmer air will start to move in Saturday afternoon. And on Saturday, temperatures will be in the high teens in Celsius. Along the coast, with the sea breeze, it will feel slightly fresher. Temperatures there, maybe 14 or 15 Celsius at best. So a look ahead at the weekend as a whole. Sunny spells, chilly each morning, maybe a touch of frost each morning, but warmer on Sunday. Temperatures could soar to around 21, even 22 Celsius. So here's your outlook for the rest of the week into the weekend and into next week when it turns cooler. Tomorrow, a lovely day, lots of sunshine, lovely conditions over the weekend, a high on Sunday of 21 Celsius. And as you can see, the warm southerly breeze, which is fairly light, will bring up temperatures into the low 20s in Celsius. But it's all changed into next week. A cold front moves in Sunday night, making conditions a lot fresher on Monday, back to their seasonal average. Alan.
Alexis, thank you. Lots to look forward to. Now, you may remember when you were at school, you might have had a class pet, a gerbil or a rabbit, perhaps.
Well, times change and school pupils in Berkshire have been looking after trout.
It's all part of a nature project where schools were given hundreds of brown trout eggs by a conservation group. We sent Tom Hepworth to Reading to find out more.
Do you remember what a brown trout nest is called?
Oh,
yes.
I read.
Well done.
A school of fish, in a tank, in a classroom. Children at Ridgeway Primary and Early in Reading took delivery of these eggs in January. The brown trout are now ready to be released into the wild, but their journey hasn't been without jeopardy.
All the trout got sucked up into the filter, but some of them survived still.
How many have you got left?
Yesterday, Miss O'Gorman said we had 13.
How many did you start off with?
About 100.
It's actually tougher in the wild. Just 5% of brown trout survive more than a year. It's time to say goodbye to these fish one by one.
Bye.
Are you sad to see it go?
Yeah.
And what was the best bit about looking after them?
Probably learning about them.
It's very nice to see children that may not have visited a river or ever thought what lives in a river, and it's nice you've introduced them to something new, and perhaps in the future with their parents or grandparents they will return to that bit of river.
This tributary of the Kennet's now home to the Ridgeway brown trout. But after Easter, the children are getting eels. Tom Hepworth, BBC South Today.
Oh,
I love that, waving the trout on its way. It's time for us to wave goodbye now as well. Thanks for your company this evening. Our next news is here on BBC One at 8, with more later at 10:30, and we're back tomorrow. Hope you can join us again. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night.